Several major exams are right around the corner. So I thought I will shoot a video for all those lovely students who watch my channel regularly. I used to be a very good student, and that was towards the latter half of my education life. I mean, when I was a student, my student life. Yeah, education life would not make sense. Student life, right? So towards the second half of my student life, I was a very good student. I used to manage all my stuff pretty nicely. That is what I thought. I'm going to be using all that stuff, all my experience, and create a video for you so that it can help you with your approaching exams. Problem is that several people end up mismanaging their time. Okay, when you're anxious about an exam, and there's so much to do and there's so little time available on hand that you do not know what to do with all that little time that you have in your hand. And I think this video is going to help you with that. Okay, and towards the second half of the video, I'm also going to be sharing about a workshop that is absolutely free of cost available. Please definitely check that out. It is free, it's extremely valuable, and it is going to really help you. So do visit that part of the video, okay, after you're done watching the first part. Let's start by discussing, do you face this problem that you have your first chapter taking 5 days, and then you have given so much time to your first chapter that you don't have enough time in your hand for your second chapter, and the second chapter is just finished in 2 hours, and now you're like, one of them is so well done and the other one is like totally neglected. And I'm sure all of us make all these mistakes. So there needs to be a strategy, there needs to be certain time management, certain tracking of the time, certain tracking of your progress, and also tracking of your confidence to help you with dealing with these exams, the pressure, the anxiety that they bring along with them. Okay, so let's get into the tips that I have for you. First tip that I have for you is studying the pattern of your exam. Very, very, very important. I don't know how many verys to put there. Very important that you actually understand what kind of an exam are you going to face. You understand the pattern of the exam. You understand what chapter is more important, what chapter can be missed out at the last moment, because many of us, we choose what we have to do and we choose what we have to leave. So you need to be sure about what you're leaving. Many a times it's not really possible to cover everything, right? And how can you figure that out? By studying the pattern of the paper. Go to the previous papers, see what chapter has been covered for how many marks. Accordingly, divide your attention. So that is something that many students do. I used to do a lot, and that is something I'm going to be advising to you also. Practice the presentation of your paper. It's very important that you understand how you have to present your answers. Okay, so if there is a question of 6 marks, there is a question of 8 marks, there's a question of 4 marks or a 1 marker, you've got to understand, you've got to plan what you're going to be writing in how many words. You need to be sure about that beforehand. Okay, you need to be sure how you have to divide your answer, how many paragraphs are to be there. So study all that. Ask your seniors, ask people who've already cleared those exams. Okay, study how exactly the presentation is required and accordingly present your answers. But I understand when you're talking about CAT and exams like these, they don't really have subjective stuff. Okay, but then they have a different kind of a setup, different kind of a paper. You need to understand what kind of questions are going to be asked, what section to attempt first, what section can I be attempting towards the end. Let's go to tip number 3. Leave everything that is not important. Okay, I know I did talk about this a little while ago, but again, since it is very important, it's important that we discuss it again. So decide beforehand what all you're going to not study. Okay, what all you're going to leave behind. It's important, and many people do it and many people still succeed. So it's not necessary to do everything to clear an exam. It's necessary to do the important stuff in a good way and ignoring the least important stuff and just focusing more of your time and your energy on the more important stuff. I hope you're getting my idea. Point number 4 is a tracker that I have prepared for you. There is this link flashing right here. Okay, Use this link. It will also be given to you in the description box. It's a very nice tracker, very nice tracker. Use the tracker to record the progress of your work. Many students, I actually made this video a couple of days ago for the Unacademy channel because I'm also a teacher with Unacademy, and that video was a hit. Many students are using that tracker, they loved it, and that is why I also wanted to talk about it in this video. I mean something on my own channel so that more people can find out about it. Okay, so there is this tracker. Go and check it out. All you've got to do is click on the link, okay, make a copy of the tracker on your system and start using the tracker. Okay, design this tracker according to your own need. You will understand, you're intelligent enough to understand what it is going to ask you. Okay, just simply use the details, use the tracker according to your own need and record your progress. When you start recording your progress, it gets very easy to boost your confidence, because otherwise you're only left on your own feelings. As a kid, I used to do it. Okay, I had my own means of doing that. I did not use a lot of laptop and phones, so my ways were different. But now you have access to all these devices, then why not use them? Go ahead, use it for your own benefit. Next tip is to have an impeccable study plan. You know your subjects, design a plan for yourself according to your own needs. You know your strengths, you know your weaknesses. It's very important to have a study plan in your hand. These are the number of subjects that I have. These are the number of days that I have on my hand. How many days can I give to each subject? Probably some subject would require more time, the other one would need a little lesser, right? Accordingly, divide the number of days to each of your subjects, okay? Plan ahead in time that on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm going to be taking up these two subjects, and then TTS, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, I'm going to be taking up these two. Okay, so have a study plan. If you cannot plan for the entire month, I would say you just plan for 1 week. I do it to run my career, I do it to run this channel, I do it to run whatever else I do in my life. I always plan, and I think I majorly benefit from it. You may feel that you are very good with this and you can trust this, but trust me, you cannot trust one thing, and that is this. You cannot trust your brain, because brain is highly influenced with emotions. Okay, today I feel nice, my hormones are good, I think I have accomplished a lot, I've worked very hard. But if I do not write down whatever I've done in a day, I can never be sure that I've actually achieved a lot. Okay, if you really need to be sure if you've achieved a lot, you've got to write down what all you've done, and then you've got to compare. Okay, you've got to compare the days and see how well have you done on which day. Okay, so probably I am mostly done with everything that I wanted to talk about. Finally, let's talk about the workshop that I had told you about right in the beginning of the video. So there are a few things that I would want you to listen to and then decide what you have to do with it. Okay, first of all, CAT is right around the corner. It's on the 29th of November 2020. Okay, and I know many of you are taking that test. So what can you do right now is, since there are barely less than 2 months on your hand now, right? So what can you actually do? So there's going to be this LMTC program, okay, Last Mile to CAT 2020, and the link is in description. Go enroll yourself, okay? Take this seriously, guys. This is absolutely free of cost, and top educators at Unacademy are going to teach you how to spend the next 45 days in order to crack this exam. Okay, so whatever problem you are facing, I'm sure this workshop, this particular program is going to be of major help to you. Another thing that I want to talk about over here is the test series for IIFT, okay, Indian Institute for Foreign Trade. There is this test series. Again, I'll be providing you the link in the description. Go check it out. Okay, so test series, there are going to be previous year question papers. I am myself a CA, and I can tell you that these mock exams, mock test papers, these test series, they are of prime importance, especially at the last hour of the exam. So right now there is this last hour of the exam going on, and if you're preparing for it, you must at least go and see. Go and attend this workshop that is happening for you, okay? Link is there. Just click, enroll yourself, provide your details and start. 11th and 12th of October you have LMTC, okay? Last mile to CAT. 11th October, 12th of October, it starts right 9 o'clock in the morning, okay? It's you may call it a workshop. It is for 2 days, okay? So 11th October, 12th October, 2 days, and everything around your anxiety is going to be covered. What all you've got to study, what all you've got to give importance to, everything that you can imagine, okay? Coming right from the top educators at Unacademy. That is something that I had to tell you about. I think I've covered everything that I wanted to discuss with you. I hope this video was beneficial for you and this is going to help you. Please take my advice seriously, and I really wish you all the luck for your exam. It's important that you focus the most right now, because these 2 months which are going to be right there are going to be something that may change your life forever. So I understand the importance of exam time. I understand the importance of every single minute of exam time, and it has already started for you guys. So use every single minute properly. You let me know if there's any kind of guidance you need from me. I am available. I will try and help you. Okay, just post me comments regarding anything that you have on your mind. I will try and help you with it. Everything is free. Go and use it, and try and make the best out of this time that you have on your hand. Okay, I will be back, and you take care of yourself. Spend this time properly. Bye bye.